tell us about this genuine business deal. What was the deal?
Like I said, they do the management part. They manage the clinics,
Yeah.
and then meaning I have to pay them for the management fee.
So was that the same arrangement that would have applied to the Medicare 24 Tshwane District tender award?
Yes.
You applied,
Yes.
and you applied in your own name.
Yes.
This entity.
Yes.
Was that a? Now they had a holding company, isn't it?
Yes.
On Vacant Venter.
Yes.
And the Tshwane District entity, was that your own?
Yes. Yes.
Is that like a franchise?
Yes.